Let's see if we can get them in a lambing pen.
Open.
We have begun working on getting set for our next group of lambing. Our next group that's going to be coming up for lambing, unfortunately, we've already had problems with jumpers. They're real good at it. We use a hay rack in their pen now, which I don't know if you can see it very well, but it's like that out there. Rack there, yeah. They're used to jumping up there to access hay. So unfortunately, over the last year, they've gotten very, very good at it. We've already started pulling out some of the old panels on the hay table so that we can start moving them in to get ready for lambing, and replacing it with taller ones, bigger ones. Good job, Mama. Maybe that'll slow the jumpers down a little bit. Well, look what we have here. Came down to check on another ewe. We were just commenting last night about how this mama's bag had really increased in a very short period of time. And boom, here we go. Judging by the looks, I'd say the baby's been on the ground for a couple hours. Let's see if we can get them in a lambing pen, which we don't really exactly have ready yet, but we'll make a makeshift issue here and get it done. My camera's been doing some stupid things lately, but it showed it was recording, but apparently not. Got her moved into a lambing pen. I'm going to go grab her some hay, fill that manger real well, get her some water up here. Looks like we might have us a nice little size ram lamb there. So yeah, lambing season is close. Okay, now that we've got that girl situated, time to get to where we were actually going today in the first place. Yeah, I'm going to be spreading some more manure today. Got to get the hay fork off the tractor, get the bucket on, and then we're going to head to the back field and start getting some of the compost from last year's barn clean out spread out on the field, because we've got a really good chance of rain for about the next 3 days. So I want to take advantage of that. Well, I started thinking, I've got this wire panel, just a piece of one. Thought, what if I attach that to the back of the tractor and kind of use that to help spread the manure as I go? had to turn it the other way so that I had some adjustment. But I can adjust a decent idea. I've just got to work a little bit on the follow through. Yeah, as you see, I have it behind me. While I'm out here, I'm also getting some of these hay piles drug out. That'll help add organic matter, plus the fertilizer manure that's in these piles where the cows spend a lot of time around the hay ring. Haven't shown you the little piggies in a couple days. Well, they're about 2 weeks old now. Pretty cute. I mean, honestly, I didn't want piglets, but they are cute. I guess this would be the advanced side for the mamas in waiting. So we're reloading for lambing group 4, number 5 in the season. 4, lambing group 4, yeah. That's right. Well, welcome back to a rushed evening. We have apparently like 3 days of pretty intense thunderstorms coming. So we're trying to get down here and get done before the first line of it comes rolling through. So I'm going to get down here, get started on buckets, and kind of see if I can hasten the process a little bit. According to last look at the radar, we've got maybe a couple hours before it all starts falling apart. No new babies as of yet, which with these forecasts I'm almost kind of good with. Well, don't think I'm gonna be able to finish what I wanted to get done, but we've got everybody fed. I wanted to get some more water tank up there so the cows quit draining the goats' tanks so bad. Nope. Woo! One of the worst storms we've had yet. No. Whoops. Wow. That line blew in. In a bad hurry. I'm hearing, I expect there is some hail in that. Whew. Is this not ugly? Wow. You see those colors? Yeah. That's why I say I bet there's some hail. Hopefully my camera won't be totally ruined. But if it is, it's been fun, guys. Well, hello. And yeah, we survived the storm yesterday. Hey, yeah, I have a new toy, a wireless mic. Don't know how the sound quality is going to be, but we'll see. And that's kind of the only reason that you're with me, because I'm not going to be able to record much because it's going to get dark pretty fast. It's cloudy and rainy as it's been. But anyway, tonight's going to be a night of pretty much just doing the required before the next round, because we have yet another round of strong and intense thunderstorms that are supposed to be moving this way. Supposed to start off again like after midnight tonight. So we're going to get down here, get busy, and that way everybody can get a chance to eat and settle in before all the rain gets here. Well, we worked the other day on separating these groups, this being the next expected group to deliver, that the group after that, but because of the weather we may be bringing them all back together just to give them a little bit drier place to eat and function. We'll see. All right, well, the storehouse is getting low, so I'm gonna have to check and see where we're at. Just about what I was afraid of. All right. Is this the way it is? And the weather we're expecting tomorrow may not be a whole lot of feed coming home with me tomorrow either. So we're gonna have to figure out how to make this work. I have to do some calculations to maintain the fat and protein using what feed we've got. Normally need about 5 gallon buckets to make feeding, at least 5 for a night. So we might make tonight, but I don't know about tomorrow night. Well, it won't take me just a couple of minutes to finish up these buckets. Got the bulk feed pulled up. Unfortunately, that's the last of it, so we're gonna have to back up and punt for tomorrow night. See what we can come up with. Pardon me while I disappear into the bat cave. I'll be perfectly honest with you, I'd bring you in here with me, but it's kind of a shame. So that's why you're over there and I'm in here. Because of all the rain today, they've not been out as much to graze. Watch out, Layla. They've not been out as much to graze, and they are very much looking forward to the feed. You know what I mean? All right. Welcome to another crazy busy night. Got the word just a little bit ago that our son was coming to pick up his bull and another one of the bull calves. So got a little bit of separating done. Teresa went on down, got calves on one side and the bull, and since the corral is full of pigs, yeah, the only thing that makes me more nervous than trying to load out cows without use of the corral is loading out a bull. He's not real hard-headed, but he's still a bull. So, Teresa said we had a pretty little ewe on board. She's a pretty good size. Cool. So I've got several gates to get open just to make it easier when he gets here, and we just kind of wait. Take this panel open. Well, we were just discussing that this girl looked horribly favorable, and there we are. Now to see if there's a second. This is one of our ewe lambs. This is her first time. First lambs. She's a little aggressive on the cleaning there. We'll leave them for a little bit, see if she has another. Open it up. Open it up. Open it up. Open it up. Open it. Open. 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 Get up in there, dude. Bring it. Go back around. Hey. Now that we've got the bull and bull calf loaded out, which I'll be honest with you, that turned out to be not as big of an ordeal as I was afraid. So I thank the Lord for his good graces on that one. Now we're just getting the bulk feed done. I'm not going to bore you with details on that. You see me do it a lot on video. It's just getting the bin out, getting the bag off the truck, emptying it in the bin, putting the bin back. That's about it.